Welcome back to the channel. It's another beautiful day here at Country Chevrolet, and you know what time it is. I have a 2022 Ford Explorer King Ranch. This is the first year that King Ranch was in an Explorer, and it is gorgeous. Now before I get started, wait to make sure you stick around to the end of the video to get my contact information. Social media, website, anything like that. But this has a 3.0 EcoBoost V6, 10-speed automatic transmission. Of course, with the King Ranch, you have the iconic two-tone brown saddle leather, so soft. You have power locks, windows, mirrors, driver memory settings, 3 different positions, panoramic sunroof. Come in here and you have this 12-inch stand-up screen with built-in navigation, Bluetooth, Android Auto, Apple CarPlay. You have a backup camera and 360 views all the way around. Heated and vented front seats along with a heated steering wheel. Here's some charging ports and some storage. Sorry about the beep, that's just something Ford does. Oh, it went away. Here's your gear shift, your electronic parking brake, and your different drive modes. There's a wireless charging pad right there. Come over here and you have your cruise control buttons. You have adaptive cruise. You have Bluetooth, your menu settings. It does have 8,365 miles on a 22, so you still have the remaining factory warranty along with it. And you have an amazing stereo system. Captain seats in the second row. Of course, an Explorer is third row, so you have the extra space back there. The windows, the little shades on them. There we go. I love that. Little details for like if you have kids in the back. You do have remote start and a hands-free lift gate from the remote. You don't have very much space in the back, just like any third row vehicle, unless you get like a Yukon XL. But with a push of a button, both seats fold down flat, and you have all that space back there. I mean, plenty of space. So this thing will not last long, I promise you. I mean, we go through a lot of Explorers here. We get them in on trade and they are gone. They go fast, they're very popular. Especially this. I mean, it's the first year of the King Ranch Explorer, and this thing is gorgeous. So I don't think it's gonna be here long. So like I said, wait till the end of the video, get my contact information, my cell phone number, social media, website, text, call me. Let's talk numbers, make a deal. Let's get this thing home. I'm about to say, because it will not be here. So don't wait until it's too late, because it will not last long. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you next time.